Hello, Long Yesa. Come with me to see what kind of stuff they have in this pet store in Pittsburgh. Let's go inside and shop. Wow, this pet store, it has snake. Oh, looks so scary. It's moving. Oh my goodness. And then look at this one, all white. And this one is camouflage. Wow. Whoa. Oh, this one is very active, huh? What you looking for? Food? You active boy or girl? I don't know. Oh, and look at those dragon or beast dragon. I thought you were a lizard. And this one is hiding inside over there. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. Over here you see this brown guy. He have a lot of hair, or she have a lot of hair. This is a small animal, and it's something pig. Fancy something pig. I don't know how to pronounce. And if you come here, you see some pretty birdie. Hello, gorgeous. I used to have bird. When they die, we cry too much, and we decided not to buy bird anymore. This one is blue and gray, really active. And this one is very special. You by yourself. Are you lonely? Are you lonely? You're so cute. This is bird. This is where they train the dog. And then hamster. More over here. Look how beautiful they are. They're so cute. They're real cute, and they're quite expensive. And people love them. Oh, and this, they're cute, but they're not. They would scare me at home because I would think it's whack or mouse, because I cannot tell the difference. Hey, ladies, it's two of you guys. And over here, you could adopt cat. They don't have dog, but they do have lots of cat. If you guys like cat, we have a few cat at home that we're also looking for. This tank is so big. It's so beautiful. Very beautiful. This tank is good size also. More tank for the fish. Here are some beautiful fish. It's called what? A Olympic. I cannot pronounce. And here are some goldfish. And here is also some goldfish. That Buddha is so cute. And over here, butterfly koi. Oh, I did not know koi fish have so many different kinds. Butterfly koi. And this is okay. Oh wow, lots of koi fish. What about you guys? What are you guys? You guys are goldfish. Those white one right there. This pink fish is so pink. And they are African something. Oh, and those zebra. I don't know how to say, but look at that zebra. I would love to bring you home, zebra. Oh, lots of zebra up there too. Did you call for help? Whoa, super pink, super bright. And then check that out, super purple. Are they real color, or are they comb like this? Cause they're so colorful. Oh, look at them, more colorful down here. Oops, sorry, my hand, my finger. Look at that. Octopus. It's not real, but the fish is unique right there. Oh, so unique. So beautiful. Wow. Wow. They're just simply gorgeous. Gorgeous. They have a good home. Oh, you guys see that? That is snail. Snail. They like to suck on the window. This is super small. It's like smaller than my finger, but it's so cute. To be honest with you, this fish, they actually have better light than I do. Their home is so beautiful. Their home more beautiful than me. And people love them so much. And the koi fish live longer than me too. We bought all this stuff from like Facebook Market and next door because it's like second-hand but cheaper. We have lots of cat at home. And we have lots of dog at home also. So basically this pet store in Pittsburgh is really, really big. Bigger than the one that we normally go in Concord. See, it's like all the way down there. That's already like the meadows, blockings. We used to buy those, and we have a car with them, so we get point when we buy. And see, this is where you change the dog, but then all the way over there is where the server at. And we should have come here long time, but we never go here. This is the first time we go here.
658.
Lion King. Water care for the tank for the fish. Little design for the tank. It's colorful, beautiful. We got those at home, and we bring our water and let them test it. If the water is safe, we will definitely buy some of it. Wow. This is for inside decoration that you guys see early, but I never knew that. This is a decent price. Buy one, get one. Buy two, get one free. Oh, that's really good deals. I mean, look at that house. Bonsai. Oh, and look at that dragon and the Buddha head. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, and then that's like said the boat thing inside the tank. How gorgeous is that? And then this is pineapple too. Oh, they have so many amazing stuff. But when they say buy two, get one free, I wonder, can you just mix them up? Or you have to particularly just buy two of this and get one of this for free? That I'm not sure. Wow, so gorgeous. I think they might be real in the color. Oh no, not real. They're extremely heavy. That's so beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh, how amazing is that? I also bought a lot of this stuff for my dog. My dog is too big, and sometimes she's bucket, you know. She doesn't know how to play with them. She's just like, and then boom, go. And we keep buying some more, and she keep buying some more, and we just keep buying some more. That's how much we love our pet. I think people really love the pet, probably more than the children. I don't know. Maybe different kind of love. You love children different, and then you love your pet different. And see, like those stuff I buy for my pet right here, my dog. She broke everything. She buy everything, but it's okay. And I keep buying, and then until I'm like, no more buying for you, because you don't understand. Even we love the cat so much that we even buy like Hello Kitty for the cat to play. Buy it for our little kid, buy it for our daughter, and now we buy for our kitty. We're going to check out, and this is the fish we decide to get. 2 koi fish and 2 I don't know what kind is this, and 2 of this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.